Hey everybody.
Hello.
Today we are going to head to Metcalf's Bottoms. Hang out in the creek. I'm gonna make some wraps. We're gonna make ourselves a little cocktail to bring with us. It's a cloudy day, but it's super hot.
We woke up, it was super hot. I'm like, I want to sit my butt in the creek. Let's do this. We got some strawberry lemonade whiskey from Old Smoky the other day. And Metcalf Bottoms is like a picnic area up in the mountains on the way to Gatlinburg. It is beautiful, one of our favorite spots here.
And it's free, which is great.
Free!
So, free things to do here.
Free is for me.
Yeah, I like that. We should make shirts, right? You want a shirt? Free is for me. But yeah, so we're gonna go inside in the RV right now and make our lunch. And then we'll get ready to go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hello, babies. Unfortunately, we're not taking them today because it is really hot and we plan on being there for a little bit and they can't handle it.
Yeah, they can't handle more than maybe an hour.
Yes.
And we want to just chill and relax.
Next time.
Yeah, we'll definitely make a trip where we just bring them, make it about them. So stay tuned for that.
Yes, this is what we're drinking today.
Yeah. This is our first time purchasing this whiskey. But we love it. It doesn't taste strong, but it still is 30% alcohol and 60 proof. So I'm gonna just kind of guess. We're gonna make a little pitcher in here, put it in our cooler. All right, we just gave it a taste test. It's delicious, but it kind of looks a little like swamp water or something.
Doesn't look the most delicious.
So we're gonna put a little splash of grenadine just to see if it helps, you know, brighten it up or make it look a little more attractive to eat. Drink.
Ooh,
Let's see what happens. It's like science.
Ooh.
Oh, it looks pretty before you mix it, right? Okay. Yeah, now it looks like pink. It's like pink lemonade. All right, I'll do one more taste test for science. That's delicious. It doesn't taste like there's any alcohol in there. Gonna be really refreshing for being hot outside, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna put this back in this bottle. I think it'll be easier to travel with and to pour.
Aaron's making our wraps. What are you using?
I just put a little mayo. These are low carb tortillas because we at least feel a little better about using those. But I put down some mayo and a little bit of deli dressing because I love it. I feel like it gives everything a lot of flavor, especially when you're making the simple wrap. So I have some rotisserie deli sliced chicken and some hard salami. I'm gonna do a little lettuce. Yummy. And I always like to do a little salt and pepper when I use lettuce because it obviously doesn't have a ton of flavor. And then I did make a little mixture for myself. Kim is not a raw onion tomato girl. So I just cut up some sweet onion, tomatoes, and then I did marinate them in the deli dressing just for a little bit. And I'm gonna add that.
You can have all of this.
I know, it's not your cup of tea.
Beautiful.
I'm pretty excited.
You jealous? You want to wrap? Bye, Lucy. We're off.
You ready? The wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. We're going into the woods to go
sit in the creek.
Sit in the creek because it's hot, but it's been sprinkling on and off now. So luckily, I didn't see anything about lightning.
The car says 89 degrees.
Yeah, we might be going there for just to eat our lunch and come back. I don't know, but stay tuned.
We're here.
There's a good amount of people.
Yes, 4th of July weekend.
Yeah, it's the Friday before 4th of July.
This is a one-way bridge.
No trailers, buses, trucks, or motorhomes prohibited. And we actually came through here the other day when we headed to Gatlinburg, and there was a trailer.
An RV pulling a travel trailer, trying to get across here, blocked up traffic forever.
Having a really hard time, yeah. So definitely don't come this way in your big vehicles.
And the weight of the RV on this bridge is not safe either, I'm sure. So
we're trying to decide where we should go. I say go left.
Definitely not an RV friendly route.
But we're here at Metcalf Bottoms. There's the restroom building right there as you pull in.
So we literally just got here, found our table, and look what I found. There's a snake. Oh boy. Just stay right there, buddy. Don't go anywhere. What kind of snake is this, people? What kind is it? Aaron, there's another snake. There's a very nice family here showing us where all the snakes are, because they already know. And apparently they're copperhead snakes, and yeah, they're poisonous. Look at this one.
It's crazy.
Just chilling right here. Just chilling. So yeah, Aaron, you ready to go sit in the creek?
Absolutely not.
Oh my god. Yeah, so the snake's right there. And everyone's chilling, having a good time in the water. Yeah, a lot of people bring their own tubes and just post up in the water because you can't float down here. There's way too many rocks. But yeah, this park's really beautiful. But yeah, the snakes are a little worrisome for us. But I mean, honestly, I'm going in. Don't scare me. Bug spray season. We haven't like felt any bugs or anything yet, but we just
I did actually pick the other table.
Oh, you did?
Okay,
we picked one table and then this table was more shaded, so we moved to this table really quick. But this is what we brought: just some towels, our speaker. I got the GoPro to go in the water. We got some iced oatmeal cookies. We got some veggie chips. I don't know what that is. And some cheddar and sour cream Pringles. And some napkins. And a fan. Because it's so hot, Aaron. Let's go in the creek.
Okay.
You're not scared of snakes?
Yes.
We love to bring our camping chairs and a drink and post up in the water and chill and relax. They have a great family-friendly photo spot here on this log. And definitely a cheaper option than going tubing. Obviously, tubing is really fun.
But it's not cheap.
But it's not cheap. So at least a family of 4, you're gonna pay over $100 just to go tubing.
So this is a free option.
Definitely a very good option. We're in the creek. How do you feel?
It's a little chilly.
Well, yeah.
I'm nervous about the snakes. I'm not gonna lie about that.
I coerced her in with moonshine. No, I'm just kidding. No, we're fine. They don't want nothing to do with us. Cheers!
Cheers.
To a beautiful creek day with the snakes. Snakes in the creek.
I mean, to find out that they're poisonous makes me nervous. That's fine. But I mean, we're not messing with them, so hopefully they will not mess with us.
The creek's trying to take me away.
Yeah, that's pretty strong.
It is a strong current. But I'm used to the water now. So it's hot out, so my feet are, yeah. Are we gonna sit in
I
it?
don't know about my butt and everything yet.
Come on, let's sit in it together.
Not yet. I'm not ready yet. If the sun comes back out, that's an option. Right now, it's so shaded that if we get wet butts, we're gonna have cold butts.
I'm okay with it. It's hot.
I don't know how I feel about
Almost 90
cold butt.
degrees. So Metcalf Bottoms is located in Great Smoky Mountain National Park, up in the mountains on the way to Gatlinburg. Give you a little look underwater. Come on. I'll do it for you.
Okay.
I'll do it for the tube.
Do it for the tube.
Kim is venturing out into the creek. Look out for snakes!
Hi. I'm impressed she hasn't slipped and fallen yet. She's doing it. She's sitting in the creek. Feels good? Okay. There's this like concrete beam that goes out a little bit, so this is what I'm gonna work on. Hi. I'm working on it.
Be careful.
This current is no joke. It's definitely pulling me. used to it yet?
Yes, come sit down.
I'm trying.
Oh my god, Erin.
Good catch.
She just fell over. I caught her like with the camera. You're so crazy.
What? I'm walking through the bowels. What do you mean? I'm so crazy.
I'm wild.
Oh my god, it's cold. You
No.
feel cold.
It's not that bad.
It's bad.
Sit down.
Oh my god.
Get in the water. Get in the water. It's probably like 66 degrees, somewhere around there. Yeah. It's colder than the springs in Florida,
It is chilly.
but it feels really good and I'm used to it now. Come on, do it. Do it for the two.
I'm in it. It's here. It's touching my bum.
Is this not beautiful or what? We're just sitting in the current. This is what the current looks like underwater. Look, a flower. Oh. Got it. I got a flower. Here you go. Put in your hair. It's a creek flower.
Can you see the rocks?
You won't say there's no stem.
The rocks. Look at the little one. I love this so much. So much. So peaceful here. That snake is still just chilling over there on that tree branch. I mean, at least he's not bothering her.
Lovely.
At least he's not bothering anybody. Yes, that was lovely. That's where we just went. That's really a beautiful family photo spot if you guys do come here. With all that in the background. Gorgeous. You ready to eat some lunch? Good, I'm hungry. Is your sandwich soggy since it's been traveled now?
A little bit. But good thing it's a wrap so it lasts long. But
Yeah.
got some veggie crisp chips.
I've had veggie straws, but I never had these veggie.
I like them a lot. There's a sour cream and cheddar and a sea salt, but I like the sour cream anyway.
Yeah. I found these sour cream and cheddar. I don't think I ever had them before today. Just the cheddar ones. So yeah, this is a cute little area. All the picnic tables, they'll have a grill. Is it good?
It's so good.
Try a veggie chip. Good. Awesome picnic lunch here by the creek.
And it's so
Free to come here.
and the temperature is perfect right now
Yeah.
with this
Yeah.
clouds.
And there's a lot of trees in here anyway,
Yeah.
so it's very shaded.
beautiful night. I'm just
The water is chilly, but honestly, after like 2 minutes,
get
you're
used
used
to
to
it,
it. It's
yeah.
like you don't even feel it anymore. So
I'm glad I finally
It's-
put my butt in it.
it's so worth it to sit in it for a while. It's so relaxing. These veggie chips are not any better for you than the regular Pringles.
Just in case somebody was wondering. I bought them because they were buy one get one, and I've had them before, and they have a really good crunch. They're super crunchy. But I was just curious looking at the nutrition between these and Pringles, and they're no better for you at all.
No. How about these iced oatmeal cookies?
They're delicious.
I wanted a little something sweet after a meal, and I went to Dollar General real quick. And I wanted something that wasn't going to melt.
The chocolate chips, just icing. I do love oatmeal cookies. I love chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. Those are my favorite. But they just got a little icing. Fun.
They're like $1 something at Dollar General. What you got there, Erin?
Some lemonade.
Lemonade.
Simple lemonade with some grenadine and other things added to it.
Other things.
It's tasty.
Oh my god, it's freezing when we're getting back in. Ooh.
The sun keeps coming up for like a second, and then it goes away again. And she would stay out for a minute, and it would make it a little less cold.
Ooh. Did you have so much fun today at Metcalf Bottoms?
I had a great time. Great. I'm so glad I finally stuck my butt
in the water because it definitely feels good after a few minutes. And the sun finally started peeking out a little bit, so I got to enjoy it a little more.
It's been so hot this summer, so this is like an amazing free treat.
Yeah, take a little break midday. I mean, or you can make a whole afternoon out of it. You know, you can bring grill. I mean, you can bring stuff to grill as long as you bring charcoal. Like I said last time we came here, we brought our Blackstone and I cooked some breakfast out here. So you can bring your dogs again. Some kids showed up and just started playing catch for a while and then left.
A lot of people bring wraps, tubes, all that kind of stuff. We brought our chairs. Our wraps were amazing.
Yeah, oh my god, lunch was awesome. I wish we had made 2 wraps. It's so good. But yeah, we really enjoyed ourselves. And again, this is something you can do for free and have a great afternoon. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye y'all.
Bye.